I am a bit of a fanatic when it comes to research and stuff. I have literally hundreds and hundreds of hours into just researching ERP software and talking to people, and I have no regrets.
So our search for a new system took about 2 years. We did demos of probably a dozen systems. We had that 1 hour get to know ProShop that turned into 2 hours. Once we did the demo, I think we signed up maybe a month after that. There was no other software we were looking at.
We looked at Job Boss, we looked at M1, and we looked at another one that I can't even remember that really didn't stand out. So ProShop really did that for us. They're the ones that clicked for us.
All of the ERP softwares were basically built on the same platform, and every one of them had scheduling problems, and they weren't necessarily designed for ultra-precision multi-process machining. So when I heard of ProShop, I was a little reluctant to get excited because I had looked at every other ERP software out there on the market and was disappointed. But then when we started digging, the more we dug, we just found gold.
If I were to talk to another shop owner currently doing research on ERP systems, I would tell them to look at the company behind the system. Does that company know what it's like to run a shop? The team over at ProShop have run shops before, so they understand the problems that you're facing.